US Toy Trader here, and our goal is to bring buyers and sellers together. Okay, in this slideshow you're going to see a fine example of a 1965 Chevy SS Chevelle. It is turnkey and ready to show. It has very low miles after a complete body-off restoration. Beautiful show quality paint job, fresh factory style interior, a 350 cubic inch crate engine, Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. This car has all kinds of cool upgrades, such as the Hotchkiss and QA1 suspension components, Bear 4-wheel disc brakes. You definitely should check this car out. For more information, see the link in the description below. And if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. You can also find us at ustoytrader.com and also on Instagram and Twitter. Thank you for watching.